I have this thing called misophonia. It means that every tiny sound, like chewing, pen clicking, even just breathing, feels like tiny needles poking my brain. It's maddening. So when I started hearing a soft whimpering sound coming from my neighbor's apartment, I did my best to ignore it. Then came a beep. A faint electronic beep. Whimper. Beep. Whimper. Beep. I couldn't stand it. So I blasted the TV. SpongeBob. The news. A football game. Anything to drown it out. 2 nights later, I woke up to a loud bang. The police were kicking in my neighbor's door. It turns out the woman who lived there had passed away. Her baby monitor was still on, still transmitting. I never told the police I heard it, I just couldn't. That night I turned off the TV and sat in the dark, listening. And for the first time in my life, the silence was so much worse.